Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit video using Inshot. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Inshot application on my mobile phone, and if we want to edit video, we can select the video menu. Okay, and click on new to start creating new project, and you can choose the video you want to edit. You can select multiple videos if you want. And I'm just going to choose this video, for example. Then we can click on this check mark to add the video to our project. And if you want to change the canvas, you can go to the canvas, and I'm going to select this ratio. Okay, and if we want to speed up our video, we can go to the speed menu right here, and I'm going to make it 2 times faster. Okay, just like this, and then click on the check mark. Okay, and if you want to add music to your video, you can go to the audio. Okay, then you can choose music, and you can add the music from Inshot, or you can also add your own music by clicking on my music. And these are the music from my device, but here I'm just going to use music from Inshot. For instance, this one, and we have to download the music before we add it to our project. I'm just going to select this one and click on use. Okay, now the music has been added to my video, and I'm going to cut it like this. Okay, you can also add your voiceover by clicking on the record if you want. Okay, and you can also add effect to your video, add filter, and you can also adjust your video, such as adjusting the brightness, the contrast, or the saturation. Okay, you can also add text or sticker to your video. For instance, I'm going to add text. I'm just going to add it like this. Okay, you can also change the font. I'm just going to select this one, just like that. And you can customize the video as you like, guys. You can customize the editing according to your needs. And if you want to export your video, you can click on the export, and you can choose the resolution right here. I'm just going to select this one, and you can also choose the format. You can also save your video as GIF. And then once you're ready to save your video, you can click on export, and the video will be saved to your device. Alright, yes, and that's all the way to edit video on Inshot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.